Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sandrilla. Welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to pick up where we have left off in our previous series. If you haven't had a chance to catch up on those videos, I suggest giving them a watch. They'll really help you grasp the concepts we are going to dive into today. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at nested lists and how they play a crucial role in the web development. So a nested list in HTML is a list which is placed within another list. So this hierarchy allows you to create list with sublists, making it useful for organizing and structuring information in a more complex manner. You can nest both ordered and unordered list within each other. So let me show an example how it works on. So there is an example where we are going to write it over here. So this is an HTML. Under the structure, I have written a nested list example. So here I started with unordered list. Under unordered list, I have written one list which has been mentioned here, unordered list. And under unordered list, there is only one list, science. Under science fiction, I have another list, another unordered list which is mentioned here. So see, I have not I have not closed my list here, whereas I have closed my list only here. So this unordered list closes here and this list is closed only here. Okay, so under this unordered list itself, I have another list which is called as fantasy, and under this unordered list, I have another nested list. Here another unordered list, I have mentioned it here, and inside this unordered list I have another unordered list. So this is what is called as nested. So one after the other, that is inside another. Okay, so there is an outer unordered list UL containing 3 list items LI. Okay, and within each list item there is an inner unordered list UL that contains its own list items LI. So these inner lists represents the subcategories within the main list items. When rendered in a web browser, the code will produce a nested list structure. Okay, let us see. So I am just saving my document as unordered list in the HTML folder. Nested, this is all about nested list, so I'm saving it as nested list.html. Okay, so it has been displayed here. I'll open my folder and I'll view this in the browser. So this is how it is rendered in a web browser. So science fiction is my one unordered list. Under that I have 3 lists which mentions, and then I have opened another unordered list, and under that I have 2 unordered lists. Inside this another list. Okay, so this shows the nested list inside one after the other. Okay, so this shows the unordered, a nested list. So this is an example for best example for nested list. If you want to know more about this ordered list and unordered list, just watch my previous video. Okay, thank you.